The impact of planned maintenance. Planned maintenance is a useful tool for making your maintenance operation more efficient. It guarantees you have the right strategy and resources in place to tackle any kind of maintenance quickly and easily, whether it's scheduled or not. Implementing planned maintenance will be different for every facility, but some tried and true ways to be successful include organizing your assets, using planned maintenance software, training and executing properly, and building planned maintenance checklists. With these tools and methods, your team will spend less time putting out fires and more time looking for opportunities to improve.